Hey guys, it's Michael from My Account Beans. The purpose of this playlist is to help you, the small business owner, do your own bookkeeping in Xero. If you like these videos, please like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Hey guys, before we begin, make sure your Xero subscription plan includes the Auto Super feature. This is available on the comprehensive plans and the Ultimate 10 plans, as you can see here with the Auto Super ticked on both plans. To upgrade your subscription, click on the arrow next to the drop-down bar on the organisation, then Manage Subscription, Change Subscription, and then add to the one you want, and then Confirm Purchase, and that'll upgrade your subscription. Okay, now that we have the correct Xero subscription for Auto Super, step 2 is to set up superannuation details for your employees. So navigate to Payroll, select Employees, click on the employee name in the drop-down. Then you want to go to the Employment tab. Scroll to the bottom and you'll see the super details here. If they're not already there, add them and then click Save. The third step is we need to register for Auto Super. To do that, please follow the steps on the screen. We'll also provide this as a link in the description below. Hey guys, step 4 is to create a superannuation payment batch. To do that, navigate to Payroll and then click on Superannuation. Okay guys, now all you want to do is click on Add Super Payment. Okay guys, in the next step, you're just going to select the due date as the date that each quarter is due, and then you're going to submit for approval. So back to this calendar, the due date's the super the 28th if it's after September, 28th of January if it's after December, and 28th of April if it's after March, and 28th of July if it's after June. So this video here, I'm going to show you what we do from the approving end. So you've submitted the super, you've received your code, you now come back into Xero and we do this step together. So we want to go to Payroll, I'm going to click on Superannuation. Then what you want to do is you want to click on the pending approval. So it's the super there that's pending approval. Then you want to scroll down, click approve. And once you click approve, you want to put in your code that you received on your phone into the approval section. Hey guys, the final step now is to reconcile the super payment that comes out of the bank account. So what we do, we can see here we've got a super payable balance here of 5216.04. What we do in the bank reconciliation here, see on the 22nd of April that came out. So what we can do, we can code that to super, and this is the key point. The account is super payable, 826, and then you might just want to use the reference. It'll look a little bit different because it'll say something like Xero's clearinghouse, but here, this is just for demonstration purposes. The main thing is the account code here needs to go to super payable. We then click OK and then see what happens on the balance sheet here. As you can see, we no longer have a super balance. And that's it guys, that's the full process of how to process Auto Super in Xero. Hey guys, we hope you enjoyed this playlist. If your business is growing and you're finding it's too difficult to do your own bookkeeping, it's time to call an accountant. We'll leave our website in the link in the description below and we'll have a chat and see if we can help you out.